Alright, got a tutorial today. If you forget your Windows password, this is for personal use only. Something called Hirens, that's H-I-R-E-N-S boot CD. Okay, you'll download the file. You can go to Google and search for it. You'll get the file, you'll burn it to a DVD or a CD, and you'll make it bootable. You'll put the CD or DVD in, set your boot order to boot from the CD or DVD ROM drive, and once it loads up, it'll look like what you see here. And I'll just go down and select the offline password changer. It'll go. Hit enter to boot. It'll load up all the files. Now this is not 100% accurate every single time. I've had a lot of success for this, but it doesn't work 100%. It's a good tool to have and to use if you forget your password, or if you're like me, occasionally I'll buy a broken laptop or desktop or something, and I'll get it working, and I'll get it to where it'll boot up, and then I'll get to the next screen, and all of a sudden the boot screen is locked down. The admin console is locked down, and I'll need something to get into it. But at that point it's already my computer, so I'm allowed to do that with my computer only. So what it asks for here is to select the Windows partition where the information's at, and on this one it's got two partitions. One of them's got the word boot next to it, and that's the one you'll select. So I'll hit the number 1 and then enter. It'll check out the information. Now it found the directory at the directory location. It asked me to choose where it's going to go, and since it's already on default, I'm just going to hit enter like that. Now it's going through the registry, figuring out what's what. Alright, and it asks me what I want to do. Option 1, password reset, and that's what I want to do. So I hit the number 1, hit enter. Alright, now it's loaded that. It's found one. The next option, I hit number 1, edit user data and passwords. 1, enter. Alright, now it's gave me a list of what I've got for accounts on here. I've got administrator, which is an admin, guest, which is a standard user, or home. Now that home is actually the one that it's under. So I'm going to type the word home in. H-O-M-E, home. You just type in the one you want and hit enter. Now it's asking you what you want to do with that specific admin account. And the first option is clear the user password, and that's what I want to do. Just take it off, and I'll figure it out. I'll reset it later. So hit number 1, enter. Okay. It says password cleared. It says select exclamation point to quit, so that's what I'll do next. Shift 1, enter. Q for quit on the next one. Step 4, writing back changes. You want to save that where it cleared it out. So I want to say yes and enter. Edit is complete. Everything's done. So now that it's all done, you take your Hirens CD out, DVD out, your boot CD out. And then you reboot the system. You can hit just Control Alt Delete to reboot. That's a warm boot. Now do this at your own risk. If you tear up your computer doing it, it's all on you. Right now I know it works for Vista, I'm pretty sure XP, and Windows 7. I don't know if they've updated it yet to Windows 8. I haven't had to use it yet on anything with Windows 8. So I haven't searched for it. It might be on there and might not be. Just Google for whatever operating system you need, and get it for yourself. I keep it. It's a handy tool. So we're letting it boot up now. And this operating system is actually Vista Home Basic. Is one I just did this function on. And there it is. It cleared the password off and it booted straight to the operating system, so I know it worked. Now I've got the option to go into the control panel and set me a new password or just leave it blank as it is. If you have multiple ones to do, I would suggest just going and doing one admin account only, and then once you get one unlocked, use that admin account to the control panel and go in and remove or change the other passwords through the regular Windows operating system. I wouldn't suggest running it multiple times just for the sake of running it, because there's no guarantee what's going to happen. And that's it.